Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. The video explains how to uninstall apps on a Windows 10 system step by step. So, let's get started. Example given. The presenter uses the Grok app as a demo for uninstalling. Select option. Click on Add or Remove programs from the results. View installed apps. A list of all installed applications appears in the settings window. Find the app. Scroll or search to locate the app you want to uninstall. Grok.com. Start uninstall. Click the app, then press the Uninstall button. Confirm action. Approve the uninstall prompt. Click Yes if asked. Run uninstaller. If the app has its own uninstall program, follow its steps. Completion. Once finished, the app is successfully removed from Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.